Hello everyone, so I want to show us how to edit our products to bring out the beauty on it before posting it on social media. So first of all, I'll go to my gallery, I click on camera, then pick any products of my choice here. Let's work on this one. Let's check this one. Then on the right hand side, on the top of the right hand side, you see three dots there. You click on it to show you have info edit in. Just click on the edit in. Now there's this app. I have two apps here, Lightroom and Photoroom. These are the two apps I'm going to use for this project. So you need to have these two apps on your phone before thinking of doing anything about editing. So the first app we are going to work on is the Lightroom. So I'll click on the Lightroom. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to crop the products. So I click on crop now. So just watch. I've cropped the products. Okay. So I click on this save. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this edit. You see this edit, to click on it. So to bring it to this place, we have light. So I'll press this light. So from here, you need to turn on, or will I say, if you want it to be very bright, okay? If you don't like it that way, still leave it the way it is, but ensure it's not too light, it's not too dark. Then you go to your contrast, a little bit of contrast. As you're editing, you need to check. I click on shadow, just a little. Try not to make it too much. As you're doing it, just check what you're doing. So let me move out of this place. Let me go to color. From color now, let me try this stem. I don't really like the way it is. Okay, I think I prefer this one. I go to tints. Okay. Vibrance. Ensure whatever you're doing, you're not making it over. Saturation. Let's check. Alright, still intact. Go back. So the next thing I'm going to go to this effects, texture, clarity. It has, still check. Okay, you can see the beauty of the product is coming out the more. Okay, detail. Let me detail the product. Reduce just a little. Let me mask it. So still sweet now. Click on profile now. So from this profile now, we have color, we have monochrome. So whichever one you want, it's actually on color. So if I want to change it to monochrome, I just click on the monochrome and see it has switched to black and white. I still go back to color, monochrome. So now I have artistic 1. Let me see how it looks like here. You can see artistic 2. I really don't like the way this one looks. Artistic, ouch. Okay, let's go back to the first one, artistic 1. I don't want it to take me out of the color of my product entirely. I think this is preferable. So we'll go by this one. You You see there is good and there is wrong here, so you just click on this good part. It's a good sign of yes, good. So we are done editing. So the next thing is to click on this three buttons up by your right side again. Click on it, then press save. So it has saved now. So the next thing now is for me to go back. To my gallery. See the former products here. Okay, to my gallery. Adobe Lightroom. So this is the product. You can actually decide to leave it this way. The product is already fine, but if you want to still remove the background, you click on these three buttons again. Edit in. Click on photo room. Just exercise patience. I guess the network is really disturbing here. Just exercise patience. I don't know why the network is disturbing. It doesn't take this long. Finally, okay. Network is very bad, so just hold on. It's coming up. So these are the different backgrounds. We have different backgrounds here. This one is blur. It still maintain the background, but it will make it blur. Let's go back. From here, you choose any background of your choice. This one still maintain the background, but it makes it motion. You can see the way it is. So this is another background. So it has removed the background completely. So it's left for you now to choose any background of your choice. As you can see, as you're scrolling, you see different background, and the network is bad. And there are some background that are pro. If you see PRO, that one you need to pay for it. But those ones that they didn't write PRO, those ones are free. You can make use of those ones. One is Marketplace. So whichever one you want. Let me just choose one. Let me just go back to that other one. Let me make use of this one. I still maintain the background, but it made it blur. So I'll click on the export now. And see, then you see where they wrote save to gallery. Click on the save to gallery, so it's saved now. Still want another background. Let's check another background. Let's try this one. This one. You click on export, then save to gallery. Take the network again, save it, ensure it's safe. So once it marks that means it's safe. Then click done. We're done with it. Let's just move out of there. So let's see what we did. So this is the photo room. So this is actually the product. This is it. So we are done with that. Thanks for watching.